Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me. Here we will discuss again about the economic and ICT learning media. Before we continue, I will introduce myself. My name is Nur Afifah from Economic Education Program 19 in Faculty of Economy Padang State University. And the next, we will discuss about the development of information technology-based learning media. In the development of information technology-based learning media, the first material is about distance learning with e-learning tools. Okay, check it out. The first is distance learning with e-learning tools. Before, we will know the definition of e-learning. E-learning is a distance learning that uses computer technology or usually the internet or the e-learning question and answer. And the next, according to Rosenberg, the characteristic of e-learning are network which make it able to quickly repair, store or retrieve, distribute, and also share learning and information. And the next is advantage of a learning. The first is it is easier to absorb, meaning that it uses multimedia facilities in the form of an image, text, animation, sound, and videos. Next, much more cost-effective, meaning that there is no need for an instructor, no need for a minimum audience, can be anywhere, and so on. The next, much more concise, meaning that it does not contain many class formalities directly into a subject or training as needed. And the last, available 24 hours per day, meaning that mastery in the material depend on the enthusiasm and absorption of student or training participant, can be monitored, can be tested with a test. The next, application or strategy of e-learning in implementation of distance training. The first is there is listen, material design and delivery, and interaction. The first is lesson planning. In the lesson planning, learning planning in distance training include the following component. The first is content. Content is a subject, object, and learning material delivered in the training course carried out during the training. The next, delivery system with various methods applied. And last, interaction between participant and widyaswara participant with other participant. And the next strategy is material design. In the material design activities are activities aimed at achieving learning objectives in training. In the design training material, what also need to be considered is the learning path. And the third is delivery and interaction. In implementing the e-learning learning method, it is necessary to pay attention to the various strategies that can be used, include the question and answer, discussion forum, training participant, activity tests or quizzes, example and analogies, as well as review from participant. The next is about disadvantage of e-learning. In the disadvantage of e-learning is so many, such as lack of an interaction between teacher and student, or even between students themselves. This tendency can ignore academic or social aspect and vice versa, make business or commercial. So you can see this disadvantage of e-learning, or you can read this about disadvantage of e-learning. Next, in the next material is about multimedia in learning. In the definition of multimedia, multimedia means a combination of several media that collaborate with each other. Media consists of audio, video, image, text, computer, and other. The next, the learning process based on multimedia is a learning design designed to bridge and facilitate students in the learning. By using media, it is possible to increase student participation, concentration, and interest. And the next material about interactive learning material. In the interactive learning material, before we know the definition of interactive media, the definition of interactive media in the teaching and learning process is a digital product or service. It means provided by the teacher to student by presenting learning content such as text, moving image or animation, video, audio to video games. The next example of interactive learning media include the following. The first, there is computer hardware, learning software, and educational website. The next material is about WEB or web-based teaching material. In the web-based teaching material, the first we'll know what is the web-based teaching material. Web-based teaching material are a set of material that are systematically arranged in the web form so that it's possible for students to continue to access learning material anytime and anywhere with a sense of comfort. Next, in the web-based teaching material are a form of content, both text, audio, photos, video, animation, and other that can be used for learning. Judging for the subject, teaching material can be categorized into two types, namely teaching material that are intentionally designed for learning and material that are not designed but can be used for learning. Next, the step of designing web-based teaching material consists of selecting target, determining topic, making material map, formulating goals, compiling evaluation tools, collection reference, and compiling material. Second, the next stage is editing teaching material, uploading, and testing. The last material is about internet. You know internet, yes? The first, internet. What is internet? Internet is a communication network that has a function to convert one electronic media to another quickly and precisely. The communication network will convey some information that is sent via signal transmission with adjusted frequency for global standard in the use of the internet network itself using TCP or IP transmission control protocol or internet protocol. The next is internet benefit. Internet benefit, there is 5 benefit for internet. The first is business file of education, information file, health, and social and entertainment sector. The last is negative impact. Negative impact for internet. There is the emergence of cybercrime, illegal content creation and distribution, and hate speech spread. And the last, thank you. That's all for me. I apologize for all of my material if there is wrong. And last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.